Alright, if you've been waiting for the next big 360 camera from Insta360, there are finally some interesting developments to talk about. The Insta360 X6 has started appearing in regulatory filings, giving us our first concrete information about the device behind the scenes. While these documents don't reveal every feature, they do confirm the hardware is progressing through certification. At the same time, a number of new rumors have started painting a clearer picture of what the X6 could bring to the table. So let's dive in. The latest FCC filing lists the model number CINSABXA and confirms support for dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, antenna testing, and SAR compliance. These filings mainly focus on wireless connectivity and regulatory testing, but they also confirm that the hardware is real and moving through the final stages of certification. What's even more interesting is that the new camera claims the same model has also appeared in regulatory databases across China, India, and the UAE. While I couldn't independently verify those additional listings, multiple certifications appearing around the same time would typically suggest preparations for a wider global rollout rather than a launch in a single market. Now let's get to the exciting part, the rumored upgrades. According to the latest reports, the Insta360 X6 could support 8K 360-degree video at up to 60 frames per second, doubling the frame rate of the previous generation. There's also talk of 10-bit color, improved HDR processing, larger image sensors for better low-light performance, and photo resolutions exceeding 100 megapixels. Speaking of larger sensors, one of the biggest rumors is that the X6 could feature a 1-inch image sensor. If that sounds familiar, it's because Insta360 has already used dual 1-inch sensors in the 1RS 1-inch 360 edition. Bringing a larger sensor to the flagship X series would be a huge deal, potentially delivering noticeably better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and cleaner overall image quality. Even if the resolution stays the same, larger sensors can often produce a much better looking image, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Battery life could also see a welcome upgrade. Current rumors suggest the X6 may feature a battery between 2,600 and 3,000 mAh, allowing creators to record for longer without constantly swapping batteries. On top of that, Insta360 is also expected to continue improving its AI-powered tracking and editing tools, making it even easier to edit and share footage with minimal effort. That's everything that's surfaced so far regarding the Insta360 X6. As more information becomes available, I'll be sure to keep you updated. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature you're hoping to see the most. Thanks for watching. Peace.